Listen, guys. These things I'm about to tell you is going to help you personally. Yes, it's going to help your life. Walk away from argument. Yes, it will cause you anger. And you know wetin be anger? If you don't vex like this, if you feel damage things wey be say you go dey regret later. So walk away from anger. Number 2, walk away from people who deliberately want to put you down. People wey wan pull you down, people wey want make you no make am, walk away from them. Remember, walk away from argument. Walk away from people who deliberately want to pull you down. Walk away from judgment people or who don't know your struggle. Yes. Walk away from judgment people who doesn't know your struggle. People wey too dey judge. You don't know even if they go judge you. People wey too dey judge, wey too dey complain. Walk away from them. Stop pleasing them. They will not appreciate. They will not appreciate. Rather, they will use bad to pay you. The more you walk away from all these things, you will see how healthy you will be. Walk away from all these unpleasing people. Walk away from arguments that will cause you anger. Yes, walk away from people who judge too much. They do judge. People wey dey judge, man, walk away from them. What do you have with these people? You are better than them. So you don't need to associate with them. You need to give them gap the way you have been giving them gap so that they go talk, so that they go enter grave. So you be.